What if I told you that the difference between people making $5,000 a month with ChatGPT and people making nothing is just knowing the right prompts? Today, I'm giving you the exact 10 prompts that are making real people real money right now. Copy these word for word and start using them today. Prompt number 10, the freelance pitch prompt. Type this into ChatGPT. Write me a freelance pitch email for a social media management service targeting small restaurants in America. Make it personal, confident, and under 150 words. Then send that email to 20 local restaurants. People are charging $500 to $1,000 per month per client for social media management, and ChatGPT writes every single post for them. Prompt number 9, the Etsy product prompt. Type this, give me 10 unique digital product ideas I can sell on Etsy that require zero inventory and can be made using Canva in under 1 hour. Etsy sellers are making $2,000 to $5,000 per month selling AI-generated planners, templates, and wall art. ChatGPT gives you the ideas, Canva makes the products, Etsy sells them while you sleep. Prompt number 8, the YouTube script prompt. Type this, write a YouTube script for a faceless channel about AI tools. Topic, top 10 ways to make money online. Make it engaging, conversational, and exactly 8 minutes long. Sound familiar? This exact method is how thousands of faceless YouTube channels are making $1,000 to $10,000 per month, including channels just like this one. Prompt number 7, the blog post prompt. Type this, write a 1,500-word SEO blog post about the best AI tools for small businesses in 2026. Include keywords naturally and make it rank on Google. Bloggers are using this to write 10 articles per day and earning $500 to $3,000 per month from Google Ads alone. Prompt number 6, the Amazon listing prompt. Type this, write an Amazon product listing for a portable phone charger. Include a compelling title, 5 bullet points, and a description that converts browsers into buyers. Amazon sellers are using ChatGPT to write listings that outsell their competition without hiring expensive copywriters. Prompt number 5, the consulting report prompt. Type this, act as a business consultant. Analyze the challenges facing small retail stores in 2026 and provide a detailed 5-step strategy to increase their revenue using digital tools. Business consultants are charging $500 to $2,000 per report, and ChatGPT writes the entire thing in 30 seconds. Prompt number 4, the social media prompt. Type this, create 30 days of Instagram content for a fitness coach. Include captions, hashtags, and post ideas. Make every post engaging and shareable. Social media managers charge $1,000 per month per client, and ChatGPT does all the creative work in minutes. Prompt number 3, the resume writing prompt. Type this, act as a professional resume writer. Rewrite this resume for a software engineer applying to top tech companies. Focus on achievements, not responsibilities. Use strong action verbs. Resume writers charge $200 to $500 per resume on platforms like Fiverr, and ChatGPT makes every resume outstanding in seconds. Prompt number 2, the online course prompt. Type this, create a complete online course outline about personal finance for beginners. Include 10 modules, lesson titles, and key learning points for each module. Course creators are selling these on Udemy and Gumroad for $50 to $200 each, earning passive income every single day. Prompt number 1, the most powerful money prompt of all. Type this, I want to make $1,000 extra per month online. I have 2 hours per day, a laptop, and basic computer skills. Give me a specific step-by-step 30-day plan with daily tasks and realistic income projections. ChatGPT will give you a personalized money-making roadmap that a business coach would charge $5,000 for. Completely free. Available right now. The only question is, will you actually follow it? So which of these 10 prompts are you going to use first to make money? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Copy these prompts, save this video, and share it with someone who needs to see it. And subscribe to Tech Mind Daily for more AI tools and money tips every single week. See you in the next one.